What we're going to do now is we're going to add our oil to the motorcycle. I've got a little trick I use. I use a bungee cord and a funnel with a hole in it, and I just kind of stick it right here, and that way I can place the funnel in there, and you just take your quart of oil and just pour it in. We already have our drain plug in. You just pour it right on in. One of the things that you can do to be more environmentally friendly is, you know, take your used oil, put it in a, say, a 5-gallon container of some sort, like a 5-gallon bucket with a lid, and take it down to an auto parts store, or take it down to any bike shop or automotive shop, and they'll gladly dispose of it for you for free. That way you're keeping the environment clean. You know, it's just, what we'll do is after we get the oil all in, you know, basically it's four quarts basically just does it, but you want to check it anyways. What we'll do is we'll take the bike off the lift, give it a ride, go around the block a couple times, come back and check it. With this type of bike, with the oil tank being towards the bottom of the bike, you check the oil with the bike on the side stand. There are bikes where you would check it with the bike standing straight up and level, but those are bikes that have a higher oil tank, you know, be more up into this area. All right, now our oil's in, and what we'll do is we'll just take this down, pull out our funnel, put our dipstick back in, and go for a ride.